What is the value of the expression open parentheses 6 divided by 2 times 6 close parentheses plus 8 times open parentheses 9 divided by 3 close parentheses? Many people solving this first look inside the first set of parentheses and start with 6 divided by 2. They write 3 times 6 inside the first set of parentheses plus 8 times 9 divided by 3. Then they multiply 3 by 6 to get 18. But next they mistakenly add 18 and 8 to get 26, and finally multiply 26 by 3 to get 78. However, this answer is completely wrong. Other people start inside the first parentheses, but they multiply 2 by 6 first because they think multiplication always outranks division. They get 6 divided by 12, which gives zero point 0.5. Then they evaluate the second set of parentheses to get 3, and multiply 8 by 3 to get 24. Adding zero point 0.5 and 24 gives them 24.5, which is also completely wrong. So let's go ahead and solve this properly step by step using PEMDAS. Parentheses come first. Inside the first parentheses, we have division and multiplication. Because they share the exact same priority rank, we must work strictly from left to right. First, divide 6 by 2 to get 3, then multiply 3 by 6 to get 18. Next, clear the second set of parentheses. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That leaves us with 18 plus 8 times 3. Multiplication comes before addition, so 8 times 3 is 24. And finally, 18 plus 24 gives us the true answer of 42. Let's try another problem. What is 7 squared plus open parentheses 5 minus 3, close parentheses, times open parentheses 2 plus 2, close parentheses? Many people evaluate 7 squared as 49 and 5 minus 3 as 2, but then mistakenly add 49 and 2 to get 51 before finishing the rest. That leads to 204, which is incorrect. Following PEMDAS, start inside both parentheses first. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, clear the exponent. 7 squared is 49, and now we have 49 plus 2 times 4. Multiply 2 by 4 to get 8, and finally add 49 plus 8 to get the correct answer of 57. What is the value of 3 squared plus 36 divided by 3 times 6? Some people calculate 3 squared as 9, then add 9 and 6 first to get 45, ending up with an incorrect answer of 90. Other people do 3 times 6 first, getting 36 divided by 18 equals 2, which leads to an incorrect answer of 11. To solve this correctly, handle the exponent first. 3 squared is 9, leaving 9 plus 36 divided by 3 times 6. Next, handle division and multiplication strictly from left to right. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Now multiply 12 by 6 to get 72. And finally, 9 plus 72 gives us our exact final answer of 81.